welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to manage your inbox notification in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to manage our inbox notification, let's first open our TikTok app. So let's pause this and let's go to our inbox option over here. Let's tap on the inbox option, and after that you can see at the most top of the inbox you can see new followers as well as activity. Let's tap into the activity option and let's go. And after you have tapped into the activity, all these notifications will be shown to you. And if you want to manage all these activities in your inbox, just tap on the all activity at the top middle of your screen. You can see the all activity. Tap on the down arrow. Okay, right now all activity is tick. You can see the tick mark in the all activity option. And if you want your inbox to be just your likes, then you can tap over here and it will only show you likes. And if you want your inbox to be only full of only comments, then it should only show you comments. It will filter out only the comments and show you. And if you want your mention and tags only, then only your mentions will be shown to you. And if you tick on the from TikTok, then only the notifications from TikTok will be available to you. And now these all options filter out what do you want to see in your inbox. For now I want to see all my activities in TikTok, so I'll be tapping on all activity. So this will be on you, whichever you might choose will be on you. For me it's all activity. And there you see guys, managing your inbox notification in TikTok is this easy. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. And also don't feel hesitated to comment in the comment section below if you have any confusions or questions. Thank you for watching. Peace.